This is the GreenWorks Pro 20-inch snowblower. Thanks for joining me here at the Danger, and let's check this thing out. Alright guys, winter here in Michigan is pretty brutal sometimes, and as of late it actually has not been. So I haven't been able to film this video yet, but I just got this GreenWorks Pro electric snowblower. It's a 20-inch wide snowblower. It's made of mostly plastic parts and some metal. It took me about 10 minutes to put together based on the instructions. It comes with one battery. The unit is rather powerful from what I've been reading. It also comes with a 4-year warranty. It's an 80-volt lithium max battery. So today I wanted to do a quick review to see how long this might last, or if it'll do my driveway. My driveway, if I had to guess, is probably 30 feet in length by about 15 feet in width. So it should be pretty easy. The snowfall today is roughly 2 to 3 inches. A lot of it is blowing snow, so it's very light, which I think this thing will have more than enough power to make it through all of that. So I'll do a quick overview of the unit so you guys can get an idea of what it looks like, and then we'll get it outside and test it. So thanks again for joining me here on the Danger, and I hope you like this quick review. Oh yeah, one more thing I want to show you was the charger that it came with also. Pretty hefty. You can get an idea of what it looks like next to like my Milwaukee there. I know the wires aren't very neat and tidy, but it's what I got to work with. The battery slides right into the top, depending on how you have it mounted. Just like that. Gives you a reading. Stops blinking when it's done. As you can hear, it has a fan also. Keeps the battery cool. I know from the initial charge that the fan does turn off after the battery is completed charging, so nothing to worry about, just a little bit of noise for a little bit. All in all, the thing works nice. Okay, I'm here in the front of my garage, kind of a tight space, but I didn't want any wind noise affecting the camera quality here, so hopefully this is okay for your guys' viewing. At the beginning I mentioned that this is the 20-inch model. They do have several other models in their lineup. It is called GreenWorks Pro. Check it out on their website. I'll put a link below. This is the 80-volt lithium max model. It has a 20-inch width in the front for the snow. It is looks like a single stage. It has 2 little flashlights at the front, so if you're doing it at night. It also has a crank positioner, so you can decide exactly where the snow needs to be thrown. The battery is right here. This is the Big Daddy, an 80-volt lithium ion. It has the battery test button. And the prongs here, I should say the slots where the prongs will meet. We'll go ahead and I'll try and put this into the snowblower real quick here. A little weatherproof cavity makes it pretty nice. The battery just slides in and clicks. From this angle you'll see, in order to operate it, you have to press this push button. As you do the push button, pull the lever, and there she goes. Just like that. So for the next step, I'll just get right to it, take it outside, and we'll see how it does with the snow. Thanks again for joining me here on the Danger. Hopefully you guys like this video. Alright, check it out. Did a couple passes on my own first, so let's see how it works now. Seems to have a good amount of battery life.
I'm impressed. I mean, does paddles get the asphalt clean?
Yeah, it's just icy there.
Yeah,
So,
well, yeah, that's okay.
I don't know many that would actually tear that up. All in all, good.
I'm impressed.
Okay, so this next part should be a pretty interesting test. We're going to the front of my house now, because I was in the alley before where the garage is. This time looks like people have already walked here, so let's give it a test. I haven't charged it or anything. We'll see exactly how well it does. I'm gonna go all the way to the end there if I can. So let's check it out. All right, I'm not gonna go to the end because it's actually not my property. So, plus it's tough to do it one-handed, but seems to be cutting through it just fine. Let's give it another shot here. Okay. Do one more pass here. So far the toughest parts seem to be any area that's not level or just has ice already built up like here. So not the biggest problem. Worked with worse. Better than a shovel still. Let's finish it up now. All right, so all in all, it seems to beat the two-stroke that I had before. A little bit more torque. Pretty cold today, probably 23 degrees if I had to guess based on the wind. But this thing did really well, so hopefully you guys liked the video. Hopefully I don't freeze out here. And I look forward to talking to you guys next time. Thanks for watching me here on the Dangen. Take it easy.